Hey there. Have an Amex card with monthly credits for Uber, Saks, or airline fees? Knowing how to use and track them ensures you get every dollar of value you paid for. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use them. First, enroll if required. Some credits, like the Platinum Card's airline fee credit, require you to select a qualifying airline in your account settings first. Then, simply use your eligible Amex card for a qualifying purchase. The credit usually appears as a statement credit on your account within a few days to a couple of weeks. You can track pending credits in the Statements and Activity or Benefits section of your online account. My crucial pro tip? Know the specific rules. The Saks credit is often split into biannual halves. The Uber Cash credit expires monthly. The airline credit only covers fees like baggage, not tickets. Understanding the details prevents frustration. That's how you systematically unlock the built-in value of your premium card. Which Amex credit do you find the most valuable? Let me know in the comments. If guides on maximizing card benefits help you, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.